Hey folks, we have opened the beta.solpg.io, that is best extension available online for deploying and building the Rust smart contracts. Yep. So let's go ahead and create a new project. For this, we are going to be building an anchor project using Rust. We'll name it as tutorial and just create it. As you can see, we have got a sample template which we are going to have a look in this session. So at the top of the line, we are just importing everything from Prelude of the anchor line. And this declare ID will automatically capture the address when we build the project. This will be the program ID. That's going to be the address from which we can interact with the program, right? So this is the module hello anchor in which our all program functions will be present. This initialize function takes the context with a data type of unsigned integer of 64 bits and gives us the result. In here, we are just get the data and changed it the data and just logged it out here with the message keyword. Nice and new account struct. Now let's go ahead and simply build this project. First of all, if you don't have some soul tokens, you can just airdrop. Wait a minute. Solana airdrop 2. I have too many airdrops right now, but if you will type this command, you'll get some soul in the devnet wallet, in the devnet network of your wallet. So let's get ahead and build this project. So voila, our build is successful. And now we can see our program ID has changed, right? So let us now simply deploy our project. Okay, so finally our deployment is successful. If we want to check this transaction on Explorer, we can just head over here and we can see our transaction. Basically, this was our transaction hash. And we can see the program logs up here. This is the deployed program ID as it is here. You can just paste it here. So that now we can see that our program is successfully deployed and is upgradable, executable, etc. It has currently 0.0013 SOL, which we transferred through the deployment process, right? So now in the test directory, you'll see we have some sample client side code written for the testing purpose. In this, we are just testing the initialize function of lib.rs file and just printing out the transaction hash and the data, on-chain data of the program. So without wasting time, let's run the test command. Okay, as we can see, it has passed one test. Our on-chain data is 42. We can also see this log by reloading this page up here. And yeah, here is our new transaction. As we can see, our changed data, we have changed data to 42. So this was the message which we just passed into the lib.rs file with this msg keyword. Right. So congrats guys, you have deployed your first program on Solana with the help of Anchor and also tested it out. So that was it for today's video. We'll be deeping dive into the advanced Solana concepts in next video. So until then, may of on.